Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Today we've got some races. We've got Gravedigger versus Max D with the fire tires. Whoever makes it into the silver bin down there is the winner. Your mark, get set, go! Whoa, check that out. Looks like Max D made an early escape. He made it all the way in the bin. Next up we've got Sparkle Smash versus Rainbow Blast. On your mark, get set, go! Whoa, check it out. It looked like Rainbow Blast made it in. Next we've got Triceratops versus Storm Damage. On your mark, get set, go! Uh-oh, those guys are just crashing on that side. Nobody made it in. We got Cage Rattler versus Carne Asada. On your mark, get set, go! Nobody made it in that time either. Up next we've got Jurassic Attack versus Bulldozer. Let's see who's gonna be the winner. On your mark, get set, go! Whoa, Bulldozer just crashed. Next up, we've got Dragonoid versus Old Gravedigger. On your mark, get set, go! Ooh, Dragonoid almost made it in. Not quite. Next up, we've got Son of a Digger versus Daredevil. On your mark, get set, go! Oh, Son of a Digger almost made it in. Let's go see who the winners were. Look at all the carnage down here. Triceratops, Dragonoid, Jurassic Attack. Son of a Digger almost made it, but not quite. Look at all these crashed racers up here. Cage Rattler, Carne Asada, Gravedigger, Sparkle Smash, Storm Damage, Bulldozer, Old Gravedigger, and Daredevil. These are all your losers for the day. They tried, but they couldn't quite make it. These are the two winners. We've got Max D with the fire tires and Rainbow Blast. Let's go see which one of these guys is going to be the big winner for the day. Let's put them back up here. On the right track we have Max D with the fire tires, and the left track we've got Rainbow Blast. On your mark, get set, go! Oh, looks like it's Max D with the fire tires. He's your ultimate champion today. It's pretty cool. Couldn't quite make it, Rainbow Blast. Maybe you'll have better luck next time. We'll see you next time. Well, let's see, how many racers do we have today? We had this winner, Max D, won. We had 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 racers. Max D beat out all other racers today. That's pretty cool. We had 14 total racers. We'll see you next time, friends.